Are you trying to learn the French language? What are the most common French adjectives that you should know? Let us take a look at 28 of them. Hello, FeyiFrench here, and this channel is all about learning French with ease. Do not forget that adjectives describe or tell us more about nouns. Nouns in French language are categorized based on gender, and adjectives must always agree in gender and in number with the nouns they qualify. So say I want to qualify a noun like chair, which is a feminine noun in French, with an adjective like small. I am going to use the feminine form of the adjective small to qualify the feminine noun chair. If I say chairs in the plural, I'm also going to make my adjective plural by adding an S to it. Interesting, right? Now follow along. The ones that have M in front of them are the masculine, while the ones that have F in front of them are the feminine. Petit, petite, that means little or short when you're referring to a person. Grand, grande, that is tall or big. Long, longue, that's long. Court, courte, that's short when you're referring to things. Rapide, rapide, the same thing, masculine and feminine, that means fast. Long, lente, slow. Mince, mince, the same thing for both masculine and feminine, meaning thin. Gros, grosse, fat. Beau, belle, meaning beautiful for things. Beau, belle, meaning handsome or beautiful for persons. Laid, laide, ugly. Vieux, vieille, old. Jeune, jeune, same thing, young. Propre, propre, same spelling for both masculine and feminine for clean. Sale, sale, same spelling, dirty. Gentil, gentille, kind. Méchant, méchante, mean. Bon, bonne, good. Mauvais, mauvaise, bad. Riche, riche, rich. Pauvre, pauvre, poor. Fort, forte, strong. Faible, faible, weak. Paresseux, paresseuse, lazy. Travailleur, travailleuse, hardworking. Facile, facile, easy. Difficile, difficile, hard. Content, contente, happy. Triste, triste, sad. As a reminder, always make your adjectives agree in gender and in number with the nouns they qualify. That's it for now. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Ciao!